changes to any of the agent.
Yes.
Okay. So for that I need a role. So how are we passing that role?
So in the web security config, we are basically taking the LDAP group, the last word in the LDAP group is then passed through the Spring security validator, and then that's basically how it's parsed through the JWT to figure out if that user has access to the agent registry or not. I could just share my screen.
Yeah, but all users, they have access, right? If they okay, anyway, user and admin both have access to agent registry. How we will know that someone is an admin?
If the web security config parses the JWT, and then it validates it with a validator method to say there's pre-authorized roles, and then it says is admin, and
it says is admin.
Yeah, the validator will. I'm just gonna share my screen.
Okay, yeah, share your screen. I think that's where I'm stuck now. I'm from where I should get the user role.
Let's see. Where's web security config? So this is the decoder for the JWT. So it normalizes the JWT to a different LDAP group role. And what this is basically doing is the scope will be one of these LDAP groups. It will take one of the last words from the LDAP group, and then it will parse it to the LDAP group. And then this is basically the validator that's allowing for it to be this is basically the validator. So this is admin. If so, any role that has admin or admins, they'll have access to it, to the agent registry. And then also there's another.
No, not just admins, right? Users will also have access to agent registry.
Yes. So this is the agent can access the agent registry specifically, and it's
right.
AG users and then AG admins. And then
so now,
yeah.
How you are letting the backend know that it is AG admin or AG user?
So I think I'm sending that in through the DTO. Agent list respond. No, this is.
Yeah, I think for update only I need. Can you check DTO again for update? Are you sending it? Update. No, that is list. The last one in that. On the left hand side, select update agent request. Surrounding the session authorization. ID. We are not sending that user role. The user ID also you are putting into request.
Okay, I thought that I took that out. And there's two different. Okay, so we need to remove.
One should be role.
Oh, these are just getters and setters. But I still need to hold on a minute. Yeah, this should be role. And then session receive user ID.
But if I take this from the request, and the other services will not be you calling Python backend through aggregator service, right? They will be simply making a call with the Nexus auth token. In that case, how I should know what is the user ID or role for them? That Nexus authentication service JSON which we are getting, right? So not JSON, JWT. Any idea what is the structure of that? Whether it will have the user ID and role as well?
I think that it will just have the JWT. Okay, so I'm trying to. Okay.
Or you want to test it on dev?
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
Devin? Sorry, Devin.
So okay, we can
Devin
try.
test.
Yeah, we can try on Devin then.
Okay. And where are you on the Devin side? Can deploy now?
It is deployed on Devin.
It is deployed already. Okay. Let me deploy on Devin. Then I think I'll have to make changes. So currently, what I'm doing. Let me again quickly share my screen. Router. Okay. So the incoming JWT, right? The Nexus auth JWT. Right. I'm taking that one, and then I'm calling the validate token. Okay, so that's also giving me an user ID, I guess. So Nexus validate, I mean the JWT from Nexus Authenticator, that is also giving an user ID. Okay, but I don't want to use that user ID. I'm just calling it to authenticate the user. Okay, and then in each request, right? What else? Create. I'm using auth token. So in auth token, I'm reading it from the header. Okay, so whatever details you're putting in the header, I'm getting the user ID and user role from there. Okay, if the user role is not present for create agent, that is fine, but for update agent, it will expect the user role. Otherwise, the user, the owner of that agent should be user.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's fine. I'll just go ahead and deploy this. We'll test it on the dev.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. I think you're on mute. So yeah,
Sorry.
I'll let you know once I'm done with the deploy.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. All right. Thanks.